So many people really thanking us. Thank you. Thank you. How are you all doing? The energy in the room is amazing. Last time I was in Canada, 6 years, right? It feels amazing to be back. Did you all miss me? Thank you. Make sure to have fun tonight, okay? My songs are easy to sing, along to song. I want to hear you boys, okay?